Forget everything you thought you knew about ChatGPT, because as of March 5th, 2026, the game has completely changed. OpenAI just dropped a massive bombshell on the tech world by releasing GPT-5.4 and GPT-5.4 and GPT-4 Pro. And let me tell you, this isn't just another text update. What if I told you that ChatGPT can now literally take over your mouse and keyboard, open up your browser, and do your job for you? I'm not exaggerating. From native computer vision to a mind-bending 1 million token context window and a brand new thinking mode that lets you interrupt the AI while it works, GPT-5.4 is the most capable frontier model we've ever seen. Today, we are breaking down exactly what GPT-5.4 can do, how it's going to impact your job, and why developers are already calling this the biggest leap in AI agent technology. Let's start with the feature you'll notice immediately when you open ChatGPT, the new thinking mechanism. Previously, you'd give an AI a complex prompt, and you just had to sit there, crossing your fingers, hoping it didn't mess up the final output. But GPT-5.4 changes the dynamic. It now provides an upfront plan of its thought process. Imagine giving a task to a human assistant, and before they spend 3 hours on it, they show you an outline. If GPT-5.4 is going down the wrong path, you can actually interrupt it mid-response, adjust its course, and guide it to exactly what you need. This eliminates the endless back-and-forth prompting we are all so tired of. And when it comes to professional work, the stats are actually insane. On a benchmark testing 44 different high-level occupations, GPT-5.4 matched or flat-out beat industry professionals 83% of the time. Whether it's generating complex financial models in Excel, drafting airtight legal documents, or building beautiful visual presentations, this model is specifically tuned to be the ultimate corporate employee. Plus, OpenAI managed to reduce factual errors by a massive 33% compared to GPT-5.2. It's smarter, and it lies a whole lot less. But here is the absolute craziest part of this update. GPT-5.4 is OpenAI's first general-purpose model with native, state-of-the-art computer use capabilities. What does that mean? It means the AI can look at a screenshot of your desktop, understand exactly what UI elements are on the screen, and then literally issue mouse clicks and keyboard commands to navigate your software. On the OS World benchmark, which tests how well an AI can navigate a desktop, GPT-5.4 scored a 75%. To put that into perspective, human performance is around 72%. Yes, you heard that right. It navigates desktop interfaces better than the average human. It can read your emails, extract attachments, upload them to a portal, grade them, and log the results into a spreadsheet without you lifting a single finger. It's no longer just a chatbot. It's an active operator. For developers, this means you can build agents that interact with legacy software that doesn't even have an API, just by letting the AI look at the screen and click around. Now, for all my tech enthusiasts and developers watching, OpenAI didn't forget about you. GPT-5.4 brings a massive 1 million token context window. You can feed this thing entire code bases, massive data sets, or multiple books at once, and it has the memory to process it all over long horizons. But perhaps the smartest engineering upgrade is something OpenAI calls tool search. In the past, if you built an AI agent with access to 50 different tools, you had to load all those tool definitions into the prompt every single time. It was expensive, slow, and ate up your token limits. With GPT-5.4, the model only gets a lightweight directory. When it realizes it needs a specific tool, it searches for it and pulls it in on the fly. OpenAI says this reduces token usage by up to 47% for complex tasks. It's faster, it's cheaper, and it makes building massive agentic workflows incredibly efficient. Finally, we have to talk about its coding and research skills. GPT-5.4 incorporates all the power of the GPT-5.3 Codex model but adds the new reasoning capabilities. There's a new /fast mode in Codex that speeds up token delivery by 1.5 times, keeping programmers perfectly in their flow state. And for web research, GPT-5.4 thinking is basically a digital detective. On the Browse.com benchmark, which tests finding needle in a haystack information on the internet, the Pro version hit an 89.3% accuracy rate. It persistently clicks through websites, reads articles, and synthesizes the exact data you need without giving up halfway through. So where does this leave us? GPT-5.4 isn't just an upgrade to text generation. By giving the AI the ability to think before it speaks, use tools dynamically, and actively control our computers, OpenAI has crossed the bridge from generative AI to actionable AI. What the era of AI agents doing our tedious desktop work is officially here. But I want to hear from you. Does the idea of an AI controlling your mouse and keyboard excite you, or does it terrify you? Drop your thoughts in the comments down below. I'll be reading them. If you found this breakdown helpful and want to stay ahead of every massive AI update, make sure to hit that subscribe button and leave a like on the video. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.